everyone, my name's Jim from FUJISPRAY, and in today's Fuji Spotlight video, I'm going to be showing you how to troubleshoot a clog or blockage in your FUJISPRAY HVLP spray gun. Now, the most common cause for a clog or blockage in the spray gun is when you let material dry inside the cup or fluid passages. This can occur if you haven't properly strained your material prior to filling your cup, or if the viscosity of your material doesn't match the air cap set you've chosen. In these cases, simply strain the material through a paper cone or reusable strainer, or increase the size of your air cap set. To fix a clog or blockage in a bottom feed or gravity feed spray gun, you want to inspect the following areas: fluid passages, pickup tube strainer, and the pressure tube, check valve, and nipples. To see how to remove an air cap set, subscribe to our channel and browse our videos. Remove the fluid nozzle and carefully inspect it for any dry material. If you notice a buildup of material in the fluid passages, clean them with a cleaning brush soaked in solvent. Fill your cup with solvent and spray until all the solvent is gone. This will completely flush out the fluid passages of your spray gun. If you're still having issues, take a look at the pickup tube strainer for dry material. The flow of the material can be blocked if there is any dried residue on the mesh. If you notice the strainer is dirty, rinse it off using solvent. In this case, we're going to be using water. However, if you do ever use harsh solvents, be sure to use the proper protective gear. When spraying higher viscosity finishes like paints, we recommend removing it altogether. If you choose to remove your pickup tube strainer, make sure to strain your finish using a paper cone or reusable paint strainer before filling your cup. First, check to see if the material you are spraying has backflowed into the pressure tube. If it has flowed into the pressure tube between the cup lid and the check valve, clean or replace the pressure tube. If you notice that material is building up between the check valve and the gun body, replace the pressure tube and check valve completely. At this time, make sure to also clean off any dry material in the nipples with a brush or a paper clip. If you have any questions, give FUJISPRAY a call at 1-800-650-0930 or send us an email at info@fujispray.com. Thank you so much for tuning in.